Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So here is the video I was talking about in the last video I just posted. I want to do a separate video on this. This is the fan that I have been wanting for a long time. This style of fan. It's a vintage retro looking fan, a metal fan, and it's been probably 15-20 years. I would see these in catalogs years and years ago, and not by this company, but by other companies, and they were $100 and something for the same style fan, you guys. And I'm sure they're amazing and wonderful designs, but I think that over the years they've gotten you know, less expensive because they're more people are producing them, maybe. I don't know but like I said, the ones on in the catalog were gorgeous, and they were on my wish list, but I just didn't want to pay $100 and something for a fan. They, like I said, they're beautiful, but this one was only $24, I think, and 82 cents. And it's from Walmart.com. I don't know if they're in the store. I think they are, but I'm not 100% sure. And it comes in a bunch of different colors, like red, gold, black, like a light blue, and really fun retro colors. I chose this one right here. This is the Aqua. This is the fan I chose. And it's actually, when I looked at the description online when I ordered it, it's Aqua Haze is what they're calling it, but it just says Aqua on the box. So, because there's two different blues online that this fan comes in. So this one does say Aqua. So if that helps you, if you're looking for the same color that I'm about to show you. This is, like I said, retro tabletop fan, 3 speeds, oscillating metal construction, adjustable tilting head, and a fabric cord, just like the, I think the fabric cords were in the 50s. So it's totally, like I said, I love vintage things. I love the Victorian period, like I always talk about. I love the 50s. I love the 40s. There's certain things that are just, you know, it's I just love some of the old things, like the vintage things. They just kind of I have I don't know, I just have a appreciation for them. I think they're so cute and so I don't know, anyway, so like I said, I finally got the fan I've been wanting, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. And I'm gonna go off camera to put it together. I'm gonna need some help to put it together, probably, because I'm not really good at putting things together. I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy to put together, but I just need a little bit of help getting it put together. I get frustrated really easily trying to put things together that are like in boxes. I just get any type of thing that needs to be you read instructions. I just prefer not to do it if I can help it. So I'm a pretty patient person otherwise, but putting things together, I'm I don't have much patience for, and it's harder for me. So anyways, I'm gonna go off camera in a moment, like I said, put it together or have help putting it together, and then come back and I'm gonna show you how gorgeous this is. I saw the reviews on this online, and it's got amazing reviews as far as how well it works and how cute it is and that type of thing. So for less than $25, I'm so excited. This video, I don't know if I mentioned before, is not sponsored. I wanted to get this, this has been on my wish list, and I felt, like I said, it deserves its own video because I'm jazzed to have this this fan. So cute, so cute. I may have to get another one, you guys. if it's that cute, if I love it that much, because I have a 2-story house, I may have to get one for upstairs and downstairs. So anyways, all right, you guys, so let me bring the box up closer one more time. And it is, it says excuse me, I cannot speak there for a moment. Easy assembly, no tools required on this, no tools required. So anyways, all right, guys, so I will be right back, and no tools required. Hey, that's even better for me. So I'll be right back, you guys, and I'll put this together. I'll see you in a moment. All right, you aren't going to believe this. So I made that I was so concerned for nothing that I could not put this fan together. Literally, I just went downstairs and I was like, honey, can you help me put this together? Because, you know, I just can't put it together by myself. And he literally opens the box, and you guys, they weren't joking when it said no assembly required. It is completely put together. We didn't have to put anything together. I haven't even taken it out of the plastic wrap yet. I wanted to show you how it came. I feel so silly that I thought that I would have to put this together. This is exactly how it came, just completely done for me. Isn't that amazing? So I was like laughing. I'm like, I can't believe I thought that I'd have to put this together. It's all completely, I mean, they took some care. Look at this. Everything is wrapped up and ready to go. So I'm going to show you really quick how they did that. And then I'm going to, it's kind of heavy, guys. So it's metal, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And instead of tilting the camera down to show you it on the desk, I'm actually just going to hold it up and show it. It's much easier. And then I will show you how it works. So, and then I'll go in closer so you can see all the little components. But beautiful color. Okay, I'll show you the color too. And it also comes with a user manual. It was in there. And then has like a parts list. And then it also, you know, there's like the user manuals, right, like I said, in there. It also comes with the a postcard to get a thank you card, and it has included as a thank you for your qualifying purchase is a 1-year subscription to Better Homes and Gardens. So I've got to read about that and see if I'm gonna get that, because I love getting magazines in the mail anyway, and Better Homes and Gardens, a great magazine. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take all this off now, and let's see the beautiful fan that's underneath. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see. How cool that they did that. Like, they just put it all together for me. Wow, it reminds me of like a those, you know, those mixers, the kitchen ones, the KitchenAid mixers. This color, look, oh my gosh, look at this color, you guys. Isn't that dreamy? This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't want to drop it. It's kind of heavy. But look at closer up. I'm going to go closer so you can see the little toggles for, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 0. So has the speed. It's right there. It's just like so vintage. I love it. I'm definitely getting 2. I cannot not have 2 of these. These are just too cute. And the cord is fabric, you guys. So just like, I think they did that in the 50s. It has a little thing right here. I'm not sure what that does. I'm going to figure that out in a moment. I think that might tilt it up and down. It even has a carrying little hook in the back right here. Let me show you right here. The little carrying hook right here. So I can carry it like this, like portability, like around the house if I want to move it. And it's pretty heavy, you guys. It is pretty heavy. So isn't that just a beautiful fan? It totally looks like I just went back in time and got this fan, right, from the 50s. It's so gorgeous. Look at the blades. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm getting a workout holding this. It's pretty heavy, you guys. Okay, so there's my fan. Okay, so that'll probably be my screenshot there, right, for you guys, my cover right there. So, all right, so let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it goes. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, I almost like want to try getting, maybe I might get the red one, mix it up a little bit, but this aqua haze is gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so let me take off the plastic wrap, and I want to accidentally cut the cord. It's beautiful, absolutely. It's like a piece of decor. I mean, it's not just a fan. To me, it's kind of like a piece of, I don't know, it's just like part of like my decor now. It's going to be so cute, like on my desk, or people in the comments on the Walmart website were saying it's cute on like a bedside table, nightstand, anywhere, office, that type of thing. So I'm going to leave the plastic on there for a little bit longer because I got to take that off. It might take me a minute to take the plastic off because it's taped on there. But you can see how like much love they gave this when they packaged it and how when they made it. I feel like this is a high quality item, you guys. Like super pleased with this. Like overall, 10 out of 10. I'm feeling like this is, I'm just so excited I bought one. Let me go ahead and, like, I might even buy these for like Christmas gifts for some of my family members because I think this is such a unique gift. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Okay, because I know it'll be like cold in Christmas time, but again, a lot of us in my family like the sound of a fan, so it'd be used all year round. Okay, so here is the cord. I think the cord is like, I don't know how long the cord is. I should see. It will probably tell me. It's called an 8-inch retro table fan. I don't know if I gave you the dimensions earlier on that. So there's the cord. It's like a fabric cord. I'm gonna go up closer so you can see the fabric cord. See if the camera will pick that up. There we go. There's the fabric. How cute is that, right? So cute. There's that. Okay. Let me plug it in. So the length of the cord, okay, I'm so bad at like measuring, you guys, but it's kind of a little bit kinked. It needs to like relax a little bit here because it's been tied up. So I need to, but it'll, you know, straighten up in a little bit, I'm sure. But I don't know how long that is. Let me look at I want to say maybe 4 feet. I don't know if it's going to tell me the length of the cord. I'm really bad at guessing, guys, how long the cord is. So I hope with me showing this kind of gives you an idea of how long it is. Okay, so there's the end of it. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. What a beautiful fan. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. So here is, this is the highest speed. Whoa. Okay, that's 3. 2. Pretty quiet little, look at how cute the dial is. It has even a little like swirly thing at the bottom. Like the little dial has like a little swirly thing. Isn't that so pretty? Now I'm gonna make it I can't say that word, oscillate, I don't know how to say that word. So to do that, I think I have to push down, up and down. Yeah, there's a little sticker that tells me to up and down right here. You push it down. Look how charming that is. It's so charming. Oh my gosh. So perfect. Okay, so I'm going to, and then again, I'm going to put it at number 2, level 2. Nice sound, nice like white noise sound. I love white noise of a fan. It just calms me down when I'm ready to go to sleep. And then there's 3. Let's see how it feels. Let's see. That's at the highest, okay? That's 2. 1. That's really nice, you guys. Yes, I love it. Okay, so see, it says Better Homes in the front. I just noticed that on the grill in the front, Better Homes and Gardens. It says that. I kind of wish that wasn't there because, you know, I think Better Homes and Gardens has been around for like, yeah, like back in the 50s they had that. So maybe did they manufacture fans and stuff back then? Maybe, because I was thinking if it didn't have that, it might look more like real true vintage if it didn't have the label. But maybe Better Homes and Gardens was making these back in the 50s. I don't know. But anyway, so I don't mind it so much. Yeah, this is a darling little fan. I love it so much, you guys, and it blows pretty good. It's not as strong as like those traditional like box fans, like I have like the floor fans and like the ones that are tall that stand on the little, but it actually compares pretty good to the ones that are tall and stand, have the circular fans like this, like yeah, it is really, really nice. Again, that's a 3. It's so cute. I would say it's for like a smaller area, not for like to cool down a room, obviously, but it's really charming, really cute, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I finally have it. I'm so excited. So anyways, you guys, I'll go in closer one more time so you can get a picture of it. See, it really is a beautiful fan. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of this gorgeous, you know, vintage retro fan. I'm so excited to have it, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm going to order one more and probably get, oh, maybe the light blue or maybe the red, or I'm not sure yet, but I have to think about it. But for like less than $25, that's an amazing deal. So, all right, friends, so if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you once again so much for being here. And for everybody for being here, I appreciate your love and support so very much. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this video, but I'll see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends? Okay, so till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you all, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.